QM Drain presents its Supreme Linear Drain, designed to simplify the installation of a linear drain in a shower where the drain outlet is not necessarily in the center. This video shows you the main steps for installing your new Supreme Linear Drain. Note: before beginning installation, make sure the distance between the center of the shower and the outlet is within 8 inches of each other. Step 1. Have your shower area ready, waterproofing installed and tested. Step 2. Make the center of your shower and screw threaded nipple into the drain flange. Adjust to desired height. Step 3. Insert the drain channel into the threaded nipple. Note: the longest side of the channel should always go towards the center of the shower. Step 4. Trowel mortar to required height. Tip: measure the floor thickness and leave just a space for thinset and floor tile, taking into consideration the grate height. Your floor should end flush with the grate. Step 5. Once mortar has cured, move the railing sliders into position, each at 4.5 inches from the center of the shower. Step 6. Attach the grate to the channel. With the sliders positioned correctly, place the grate over the base and make sure the grate looks centered in the shower. Adjust accordingly. Once grate and slider position are verified, apply SIKAFLEX around the top edge of the base. Apply thinset to the bottom of the grate. Install grate to the base and screw into the sliders using the enclosed screws. Note: if grate needs to be cut to specific length, remove the grate end caps and cut using the enclosed stainless steel blade. Tips: grate needs to be cut equally in each side. Draw a straight line where the cut will be made. Clamp grate to stable surface for cutting. Gently file edges. Do not bend or pull away cut sections. Allow them to fall away. Reconnect end caps. Step 7. Verify that the grate is perfectly straight and level before installing the floor. Use enclosed wedges to raise any part of the grate if needed. Step 8. Apply thinset and install tile and grout. Step 9. Remove the stainless steel protector and place the removable grate. Thank you for buying QM Drain. For more information, please visit our website at www.qmdrain.com.